In this video we're gonna talk about palindromes. We will check if string is palindrome or not. The palindromes are words which are spelled the same backward and forward. For example, I is palindrome, because it's spelled the same backward and forward. Rotator is palindrome. Level is palindrome. Basically, we need to check if the given string here is the same as the string reversed. First, let's create the reverse string. And if you remember from the previous video, I showed you a couple ways to do that. I will use spread operator to convert the string into array of letters. Then dot reverse on that, and it will reverse all the letter elements of that array. And then dot join to convert it back to a string. Next thing we have to do is to check if the given string is equal to reverse string, and return true. If they are not equal, we will return false. For home, it returns false. It's not palindrome. For I, returns true. Level is true. Level S is false. We can improve our code by just returning the comparison between the given string and the reversed string. It will always return true or false. Levels is false. Let's check level. It's true. I is true. Ice is false. Okay, that's how we check if word is palindrome, and if this video helped you, hit like and subscribe buttons. Bye and thank you for watching.